Hello there. Today I have been back down to the Bramley-moore dock to give you a little update and a fly round on what we didn't cover in our last video. So there's the dock just there. Let me just get a better shot of that. Okay. Zoom in a bit for you. Okay. There is the new stadium. Okay, which is really coming along. Okay. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, leave a comment in the comment section below, and share this video with your family and friends as well. Don't forget it is free to subscribe to the channel. All that will do is it'll put my videos into your suggested, and if you hit that bell notification, then you'll get notifications when we post a new video just like this one we've done today. We've been up in the air. It's a muggy, horrible day today, but we're going to take a look and see what's happening. The site is actually closed today, so we got a lot closer than we usually do. So let's see what we've seen. Let's get up there. Hello there. So I've been back down to Bramley-moore, as I said. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram. The Instagram handle is on your screen now, at the stadium 00. So this is more than likely going to be the last one before Christmas. So the site is actually shut until the 2nd of January. So we got nice and close and seeing what's going on. We didn't get so close we nearly hit that crane. We still did keep off the site, which is next. There were loads of birds around. Seagull nearly took me drone out. The drone out when it was coming up. But yeah, as you can see, look, there's no car. Usually, them cars along that side are chocker. There's nice, no problem me getting a space. So yeah, we're just gonna take a little look around. It's not really an update as such. Yeah. So we're gonna take a look at these seats properly. This is the side we never covered in the previous video. So we're going to do that now. If you notice as well, more or less 3/4 of the roof are now covered. So yeah, we're gonna basically get inside. Not sure what that brown spot is. Can you see it there on the roof? We'll just leave that there. I don't know what the hell it is actually. Yeah, so there's some of the seating. The scoreboard has been fitted in. I'm shocked it's on the scoreboard. Like now, I thought personally, this is again just a personal opinion. I thought the scoreboard would have been one of the last things to go up, but look, there it is in all its glory. It was raining. The weather was disgusting today, and that's why some of the terrace and the concrete terracing is a different colour. It's just wet. For Everton Football Club purposes, we are not on the site. Just thought I'd make that clear. We're not on site. Couple of corners been missed on the cladding here, and I'm sure they'll be completed soon. But yet, if you are heading down to the site, it is actually closed until the 2nd of Jan. Yeah, so no workers on site. I mean, one of the lads who he was just basically, I think I'm doing his head in now, but I always ask him about different things. He's just said, yeah, it's short till the 2nd of January. So I thought, oh, this would be a nice little time to get down there, get a bit close, and take a good look around. So here we are. So here's this platform that's been getting constructed and built in. We didn't really get a chance to look at it properly last time, but there it is. And obviously they're still constructing them stairs. It was a bit eerie down there today because obviously there was used to seeing like diggers flying past and forklifts, scissor lifts in action, but there was nothing. Anyone know what these two double cranes are going to be for? I haven't actually seen them in action. I haven't caught them when I've been down there, so I'm not sure exactly what their purpose is. You can see some seats through the gap there. Um, maybe we'll try and get down before Christmas. It's what, the 19th of December today. So maybe we can go and do the other half before Christmas. Let's see what the weather's like. There's meant to be a storm coming, another one. So we'll have to see what that's saying. I think as well, when the weather's bad and there's lots of cloud coverage, the signal as well on to the receiver, sometimes it's just a bit worse. I was considering doing a full fly round of it, but just couldn't quite get round. The signal kept dropping, so I decided against it and just did the other half. Maybe later on in the week, let's see what happens. But yeah, this is the Merseyside of the stadium, the west side of the stadium, and how it's looking today. So, there's a massive game at Goodison tonight. Everton are playing Fulham in the quarterfinals of nearly said the Europa League then. Yeah, the League Cup. I just hope they win. Just let's get rid of this trophy duck. What now, like 28 years? Nearly be 29 by the time that this League Cup final comes round. The way Everton have been playing, I think they've got a great chance of progressing to the semi-finals, and then anything can happen, can't it? Let's see. It'd be interesting to see what team Sean Dyche puts out. Obviously, the Christmas period it's a very busy period. So, will he start with Better or will he start with Calvert-Lewin? You don't know, do you? Dan Juma might get a start. I don't know. I don't know why. I mean, this is all this stadium thing is just all little, visual purposes for you. There's not much update from last time, but I don't know why. Um, he hasn't been playing Danjuma. I mean, I rate him. I really, really like him, to be honest. But I can't say nothing because we're four in a row with no goals conceded. So this is a shot I've always wanted to do, and something always happens, like wind or there's too many people on site or whatever. I just wanted to always just let the drone right level with the top and just have a look at it from there. Just gonna get you a bit closer to that now as we're zooming in. So it's a little over a year till this is due to be completed, or just on a year, I think it is now. Um, on my community feed on Sunday, I think it was, I did post some breaking news that Everton had posted on their official accounts that they've officially announced. I mean, we already knew this. They officially announced that the club will not be moving into the stadium until the start of the 25-26 season. So there's one full season left at Goodison Park. So yeah, that's it. Just a little quick fly round for you and got a bit closer. So take care. Hopefully we'll see you soon. If I don't, have a great Christmas and we'll see you in the new year. Take care.